Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Marina and I'm from the fabulous Beverly Hills where I make delicious food and health related videos. So if you're interested in how I live a healthy lifestyle here in Beverly Hills, just subscribe to my channel. For this week's video, I wanted to do like a taste test of this no-bake dessert kit by Tasty. I'm sure you know who Tasty is. They're like this huge channel where they make really cool food videos. I was really intrigued when I saw this in the store, so I'm really interested to try this out. So this is the Choco Moca flavored no-bake dessert kit. These are the instructions, look very simple, and it should look something like this. Oh yes! And all you need is butter and milk. But to make this just a little bit less unhealthy, instead of butter, I'm going to be using coconut oil. Let's open it up. So here we've got the fudge topping. Then we've got the, what is this? The crust mix. And the filling mix. So as I've mentioned before, instead of butter, I'm going to be using coconut oil. So I'm going to scoop out 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil and melt it in the microwave. That's 1, 2. Alright, now that my coconut oil is fully melted, let's do step 1. Okay, now I'm gonna take this mixture and press it into a pan. Let me find a pan. I think I'm just gonna do this pan here. Okay, now that the crust is ready, I'm just gonna set this aside and move on to the filling. For the filling, I'm just gonna mix this filling mix along with 2 cups of cold milk. I'm gonna be using almond milk. So now I'm gonna take the fudge topping mix. Just gonna cut the tip off. And now, ooh, I'm gonna just pour this in like this. And I'm gonna swirl it inside. Almost like stirring it together. And now I'm gonna put it in the fridge and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Alright guys, so it's been like an hour, almost an hour, so I'm gonna take it out and let's taste it. Oh wait, I totally forgot about the remaining cookie crust that I've saved. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top as a finishing touch. Let's try it out. Cheers! It's really good. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's chocolatey, it's moussey. You get a nice crunch from the crust. Yeah, I like it. My only complaint is that the mousse is not completely set as I was expecting it to. Like if you look on the packaging, it shows a clear picture of the mousse being sliced and it looks like a piece of cake. You see that? I don't have that here, so I don't know, maybe it's because I didn't use cow milk and I used almond milk instead. But anyway, it still tastes delicious and I would still eat it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes, delicious food, and health related videos, okay? Alright, see you next time. Bye!